A buildings department officer said foam board application on windows in Wang Fuk Court was not appropriate. But the officer said the estate's case was outside its remit. Musin reports.
The public hearing continued at Central City Gallery. Victor Dawes, the committee's senior counsel, first questioned Karen Zheng, the assistant director of the buildings department's mandatory building inspection. Zheng said that the department's general practice before the fire was not to conduct on-site scaffolding mesh tests, but to rely on the material certificate, including examining the document issuer. Asked what the department would do to verify the authenticity of the certificate, Zheng said there was no other mechanism established to achieve that before the blaze. Zheng told the committee that using foam boards to shield windows wasn't a common practice in the industry, based on the department's inspection of more than 400 buildings in the aftermath of the blaze. She said that Wang Fuk Court's case wasn't within her department's purview, but handled by the Independent Checking Unit, or ICU, which is under the Housing Bureau. The officer, however, said that her department would take enforcement action when it found foam boards being used on windows. Jie Kan-ming, a former senior building surveyor of the buildings department, seconded to the ICU between 2023 and 2025, said he didn't recall a colleague surnamed Gu had consulted him on whether the foam board application would constitute a breach. In Gu's written testimony, he claimed Jie had said the use of foam boards wouldn't be considered as unauthorized building works. Jie said, "I would definitely treat this as an unfair allegation against me." The former surveyor said the foam board application had violated the building regulation. He stated that a hazard would be created when you place foam material extensively on external walls. Wei Yin, a liaison officer at the Taipei District Office of the Home Affairs Department, told the committee that she hadn't seen any irregularities in proxy votes, despite having attended 6 Wang Fuk Court meetings, or said the department could do little on the proxy issue. Zhang Haoman, a former Taipei District Officer of the Home Affairs Department, said proxies acted as a tool, responding to allegations that Peggy Wong, a DAB district councillor, had obtained proxies illegally. Chen described that as serious. Asked what the district office would do if they received complaints related to illegal proxies, Chen said they would refer the cases to law enforcement if provided with evidence. Musin, TVB News.